Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva birthday templates step by step. First, open Canva and type birthday invitation or birthday card into the search bar. You will find thousands of options, both free and premium. Take your time to browse through the extensive collection and pick a template that perfectly captures the spirit of your upcoming celebration. This initial choice sets the foundation for your personalized design. Now, let's personalize your chosen template. Simply click on any text box to easily edit the name, date, time, and location of your birthday event. You can also upload your favorite photos or select from Canva's vast library of images to add a personal touch. Don't forget to experiment with different font styles, sizes, and colors to make your invitation truly unique and reflective of your celebration. To further enhance your design, head over to the Elements tab. Here, you'll discover a treasure trove of stickers, graphics, and shapes to add a playful or elegant touch. You can also easily change the background color or select a new background image or pattern to complement your theme. Remember to utilize the alignment tools to ensure every element is perfectly positioned for a polished look. Finally, it's time to share your amazing birthday creation. Once you are completely satisfied, download your design in your preferred format, such as a high-quality PDF, JPG, or PNG. You can then easily share it directly via email, social media, or by generating a shareable link. For a professional touch, consider printing your invitations at home or utilizing Canva print services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.